Have you ever wondered how a simple act of kindness can change someone's life? Let's delve into a tale featuring a schoolboy, Liam, and Mr. Parker, an aged neighbour who lost his family in a tragedy car accident. On a typical day, Liam spotted Parker at a local park, wrestling with the task of feeding pigeons. Unexpectedly, Liam approached and lent a hand, initiating a friendly conversation. This interaction sparked a unique bond between them. Later, Liam extended an invitation to Mr. Parker, asking him over for dinner that evening. That invitation was not just for a meal, but the beginning of a special friendship. Liam's act of kindness didn't stop there. He invited Mr. Parker for dinner that night, marking the start of a beautiful bond. Mr. Parker, once a solitary figure, began to share his life's wisdom with young Liam. Their unique relationship blossomed, offering Mr. Parker companionship and a newfound sense of belonging. Their bond didn't go unnoticed by others. The neighborhood, by their friendship, started to interact more with Parker. He was no longer just an old man living alone. His isolation faded, replaced by warmth and community camaraderie. Their outreach reshaped his life, and the once lonely old man became a cherished member of the community. One day, Mr. Parker recognized Liam's influence, confirming that his tiny gesture of goodwill rescued him from solitude. This acknowledgement of benevolence's importance had a profound effect on Liam. It shaped how he saw the world, redefining his perspectives on kindness and connection. This solitary act had created ripples, inspiring him to do more, to give more. He remembered how one act of kindness reshaped a life, and this understanding guided him. As he prepared to take the next step in his academic journey, he carried this wisdom with him. When he left for college, he channeled this lesson into creating a community engagement initiative named Parker's Pals, linking isolated seniors with youthful volunteers. The story of Liam and Mr. Parker serves as a reminder of the profound effect of simple acts of kindness. These acts, offering a hand or companionship, can shift lives. It's more than impacting one, it's about fostering a chain of kindness throughout the community. The least complex deeds often speak louder than words. In your daily life, whenever you encounter someone in need of a touch of kindness, don't hold back. The reach of your benevolence might surprise you. As Liam's story exemplifies, kindness truly speaks louder than words. As their friendship blossomed, Liam and Mr. Parker found themselves sharing many heartwarming conversations. The park bench became their confessional, the setting for many a tale and life lesson shared. Liam, curious about Mr. Parker's past, would often ask him about his youth. Mr. Parker, in turn, would regale him with stories of his adventures, his triumphs, and even his heartbreaks. It was during one of these talks that Mr. Parker, his eyes glistening with gratitude, thanked Liam for his kindness. "You know, Liam," he said, "you've given this old man something to look forward to. You've brought a touch of brightness to my twilight years." These conversations not only brought them closer, but also gave Liam a new perspective on life. He realized that every person has a rich tapestry of experiences, a unique story to tell, and that kindness can create beautiful friendships.